Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. And I can't believe it's been about a year since I took you guys on for the ride. But in today's episode, I'm giving you guys an update, 1 year review, or 1 year update on the Dream Garage. So, Chester, hey boy, you ready for your walk? You ready for your walk? Are you ready for your walk, Chester? Let's go. Let's go. I'm taking Chester out as usual. And go for his walk. Alright. Come on, boy. Harness is in. Oops. I'm doing this with one hand. Alright. Ready for a walk, Chester? Are you ready, boy? Put on my hat, maybe. Okay, baby. I'll take Chester out. Hey, hold on a second. All right. Well, folks, I truly can't believe it's been about a year since we had this video. It's a little windy today, but as you can see, guys, it's a lot different. It's a lot different than the last time you were with me on this journey here. Things have changed quite a bit. At least the landscaping is done on the neighborhood here. Some grass and trees already. Basically, do some 1 year review, or what should I say, update on the Dream Garage. Well, folks, I can't believe it's been about a year. Well, it's been a year since we've been in this place, and it's so great to be able to get lots of improvement in the process. Having the garage almost just gotta get this thing. Chester's almost done here. Well, folks, definitely there's quite a bit of stuff that needs to be done still in the house, but plenty of things has been completed as well in the process. So I'll definitely would like to give you guys an update on where we're at this point with the full renovation and the development of the Dream Garage that is. So yeah, it's a little bit windy here, guys. I don't know how this sound or this video is going to turn out, but we'll definitely keep going, and hopefully this summer is going to be great and we can do a little bit more car videos for you. There's definitely plenty of things to be done. I have stuff on store and working with a few parts there and some sponsorship if I could. So anyways, guys, if you haven't yet, again, I'd like to invite you and consider subscribing by also pressing on that bell, so that way you could be notified in my future videos. If you truly like this channel and all, give it a thumbs up, and at the same time, keep that subscription going. So stay tuned. Home sweet home.
oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más allá. Solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes.